guys! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel! Yes, for today's video, I am so excited because it's like a dream come true. For me, it's like a dream come true because I have been dreaming, I have been trying to buy it for so long that basta guys, kasi I have been trying to buy a laptop. I don't know why I'm crying. These are tears of joy. Look at that. But I'm just so happy because nabili ko na yung laptop na gusto ko, and it was worth the wait, and it was worth it talaga. So yeah, without further ado, wala nang maraming satsat. I bought Huawei Matebook D15 notebook. So it's from Huawei. Thank you so much, Silicon Valley, kasi dun ako bumili. I don't have the clip of me buying the laptop because I was in a hurry and I'm really not yet decided kung ano yung bibilhin ko. And luckily, I have my sister, si Mikey. Mikey Lynn, thank you so much. Actually, pareho kami ng laptop. Ganito din yung laptop niya. And yes, I decided na yun na lang din yung bilhin. Kasi it's wise for me as a vlogger, and parang mabilis siya kasi 8 gig yung RAM niya. Anyways, let's unbox it first and let's discuss about the specs. So, the Silicon Valley gave me this paper bag. Yan. Na Huawei. The freebies, of course, may free yung Silicon Valley for me. They gave me a backpack. This one. Huawei Backpack Swift. Let's open it. Kasi first time ko itong ma-open. Kasi di ko talaga ginalaw yung laptop ko para ma-unbox ko. Para tayong lahat yung maka-unbox. I mean, makakita niyo. Though I have I have seen it before when I bought it, kasi nga dapat iba buksan, tapos tignan kung may problema or hindi. So yun lang, but hindi ko pa talaga na-explore yung laptop ko, and I'm not a laptop enthusiast kasi tinanong ko lang talaga sa kapatid ko kung ano yung magandang specs at saka magandang laptop to buy para sa vlogger like me, kasi nga I need to edit my vlogs sa laptop. So sabi niya, eto nga lang daw na pasok sa budget ko. Of course, pasok sa budget dapat. So yeah, this is the backpack. It's Huawei Backpack Swift. I don't know if you can see it. So yeah, that's it. Huawei Backpack Swift. Thank you so much, Silicon Valley. Ang ganda nyo. So sa loob is like may lalagyan ng laptop, and may mga pockets here. Then, for laptop talaga siya, guys, if magka-travel. And may isang zipper pocket na may dalawang compartment. Tapos, yun lang. Ang ganda. I love the design. It's simple and classy. Charis. So, magta-travel tayo or uwi ako ng Lapu-Lapu, kailangan dalhin ko to kasi, of course, kailangan safe yung laptop. Thank you so much, Silicon Valley. And, binigyan din nila ako ng mouse na hindi siya wireless, but it's USB wired mouse. Thank you so much. Hindi na sana talaga ito kasali, but sinali ng anong tawag nila dun? Parang promodizer na ko. Then, also, they gave me the thermos. It's also a Huawei gift. Thank you so much. Pasensya na sa kamay ko may date. So, ito yung, ginamit ko na yung thermos. Maganda siya, actually. Talagang, hindi, kung mainit pa rin talaga siya. I don't know how many hours, but, na-try ko siya kanina. But hindi kasi siya masyadong matagal. Malamig pa rin mga ilang oras na yon. Malamig na malamig talaga siya. So, yung ano dito, hindi naman siya nakalagay kung hanggang ilang oras siya lalamig tsaka mainit. But yeah, thank you so much, Silicon Valley. So, ito yung wired mouse. Hindi ko pa siya minubuksan because hindi ko pa siya magagamit. I think I'm gonna buy a small table for my workplace. I don't know if kasha pwede ka sa apartment kasi ang ang dami talagang nakalagay dito. Hindi ko na alam kung paano pag-declutter siguro ako. Kasi ang dami talagang gamit. Though, hindi naman ako masyadong bumibili ng gamit. Especially damit. Nag-declutter na ako ng swimwear. Swimwear lang. But I think I'm gonna declutter my clothes. And, of course, some of the gamit, hindi ko alam kung bakit dumami yung gamit. Anyways, let's not discuss that one. Kasi 6 minutes na ako nakaka-unbox. So, yun lang yung gift. 3 lang yung gift from Huawei. And I love their box so much. Super love ko yung box nila. And yeah, let's unbox it. I'm so excited. Are you excited? Grabe talaga. Kaya ako naiyak. Kaya sabi ko, diba, it's a dream come true. So, this is, again, wait, ano, nasira yung box. Oh God, my God. So again, this is the Huawei Matebook D15 notebook. So, ang RAM niya is 8GB RAM. Yung color niya is Mystic Silver. And yung size ng screen niya is 15.6 inches. Then, yung storage niya is 256 SSD. Sabi ng kapatid ko, it's important na 8GB RAM and up and SSD yung laptop ko. Kasi nga, parang hindi siya parang bumagal later on. Then, yeah. And yung CPU niya is Intel i3. Kasi nga, mahal. Sana yung i5, yung medyo latest. Latest din naman yung i3, but maganda talaga yung i5. Pero nga, mas mahal. So, yung budget ko is, actually, ito pala, it cost me 29,999 sa Silicon Valley SM Cebu. Ako bumili. Thank you so much for their stuff. Very accommodating. So, ready na ba kayo? Excited ako. Oh, no! May nahulog. So, yeah, this is the laptop. It is secured with this foam. Then, this is the warranty card. This is the warranty card and the manual, I guess. Yeah, so this is the manual. And this one's the charger. Ang bigat ng charger na, guys. Yan, the charger. Bigat ng charger niya. Yung charger niya is 20 volts or 12 volts switching power adapter. Yan. Type-C lang pala to siya. That's the good news, right? Ayan ko yung charger. May Type-C adapter. Yeah, Type-C yung charger niya, guys. I don't know if pwede siya sa phone or pwedeng i-charge yung laptop gamit yung phone charger. I'm not that expert, but I'm gonna search on that later on. So, the charger and nakahihintay natin. Let's unbox it. I'm so excited. Grabe yung heart ko. Hey, ako maiyak.
Ginagawa mo!
Oh my God! Nakaka-happy! Sa wakas, may laptop na rin ako for how many years of dreaming to have a laptop. Kasi nga, while I was in college, in high school, my dad, yung papa ko, hindi ako binila ng laptop. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. But we had a computer. Binili siya ng cousin ko, yung kuya ko na cousin, yung close ko. Binigyan ako. So, yun lang. Tapos nasira siya. Oh my God, it's raining. Anyways, guys, open na natin siya. I'm so excited. Doon, nagre-reflect yung pagka-space screen sa mukha ko. Tcharam! So, may pa, ano siya dito? May pa, ano ko kung tawag dito? It's not paper, but may pa-protection siya sa keyboard. Ayan. So, nakalagay dito, it is, wow, it is, pwede siyang Huawei share and the CPU, Intel Core i3. Tapos, yung gusto ko talaga sa kanya, guys, yung power on button niya is fingerprint. Yes, yun talaga yung pinakagusto ko. But, I haven't set up the fingerprint yet. So nice. So, makikita niyo dyan, Mharj Diaries, hindi lang makita. Oh my God, paano ba yun? Hindi niyo nakita ba't? Yeah. Hindi niyo nakita ba't Mharj Diaries yung nakalagay? Share ko lang. So, ito na yung laptop, guys. I'm so excited to use this. And, if you can recommend a editor na pwede sa laptop for free, sana naman, because, you know, tipid-tipid tayo, charis. Kung meron kayong i-recommend na free editor for laptop, please do comment down below. I would really appreciate it, guys, because gusto ko rin dito na ako mag-edit. Kasi sa phone lang talaga ako ever since itong ginagamit ko. I'm using my Oppo Reno 5 na grabe talaga. I love how the camera and the quality of the videos that Oppo Reno 5 gave me. Yung 6, hindi ko gusto yung camera niya. Mas maganda talaga yung Oppo Reno 5. Charis. Oppo, baka naman. Anyways, guys, I really do hope you enjoy the unboxing of my Huawei Matebook D15 notebook. And kung meron pa kayong gusto malaman about the Huawei Matebook D15, then I'm gonna share it to you because we will learn together, charis. So, yeah, yun na nga. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really do hope you like the video, and if you like it, just give it a thumbs up, and comment down below on the suggestions that you want me to do, and yes, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell for more updated videos. This is your girl, Mharj Diaries, saying, life is too short to be wasted. So, see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye! Bye, guys!